Welcome to Peachiest Reviews. Here we have a multifunctional safety locks. There are 6-pack. The locks are white in color. These are usually used for cabinets, refrigerators, drawers, and they can easily be installed. Here, I already took one out. You basically line up the strip with the tab, and then you lock the tab so the strip stays in place. Underneath these tabs there are adhesive that you just peel off and stick to the surface that you want to lock. Okay, here we have a refrigerator that you can easily install the lock. Okay, the adhesive behind the tabs have already been peeled off. You just stick it as such, okay, and wait for a few moments so that it's sturdy. So as you pull on the handle of the refrigerator, the door stays put so that a baby wouldn't be able to open the refrigerator. Okay, to open the lock, you simply just pull on this tab, which unlocks the safety lock, and now you can easily open the fridge. This is a very easy product to use and is quite effective. If you have any questions, please contact the seller.